Welcome at the Cafe Empire. They want to talk about the most important topic of what govern the universe. You already know what the universe is. It's where we are living in. Based on what we have explained that existence, what existence is. That existence is what exists, not nani existence. So, so what govern existence in the universe we are living in? How evolution come to be? How is it like when we say we are evolving, learning, growing, and actualizing? What is it all about? What is it like? That is the topic we want to talk about today. So, yeah, you see, I have wrote them right on this paper on what existence is, and now I want to explain to you what is it and what governs. So this is an article from American Museum of Natural History. It's about universality of physical laws. Universality of physical laws. Location at the lower level. All parts of the universe are subject to the same simple laws of natural of nature that we find here on Earth. You see, it's like here on Earth, there are natural laws that govern the universe. So that govern the universe right here on Earth we are living in. So look at some once they say what govern the universe, they think in terms of secret society. They are the ones that learn the universe. But is it that true? Every secret society have what they believe in of what is behind the beyond their understanding. For example, Freemasonry, they believe in crystallinity uh, beings that the ones who they govern the the universe. Those Christians, they believe those that have full awakening that they are the ones that govern the universe. And is that true? Yes, everyone pray, but that is what we want. If they believe in that, so what is beyond their understanding? If you go study their books, what they say and what they believe, that there might be something beyond their understanding, what they knowledge say. So what is it if they don't know? If they don't have that information, what is it? It's what we want to give it out. It's what we want to explain it here. If they understand, you have to compare to what this article have said and what we have said as Neogen, as because are the ones who have understood what existence is, and we are part of, and we are living just like the way it is. So if you have someone who explain it, you have to relate to what we are going to explain today. That is the most important thing. Always use your reason. Don't fall for BS, because there are a lot of information out there that something that might just take you, lead you astray. They can just make you not to realize the truth behind all the things that exist in the effect on what the truth is. So here we are all about bringing this knowledge, bringing this truth to the world, so that everyone should be able to look within, integrate it in his or herself, so that once he do that, then we all work together in perfect harmony as divine beings in the process we are creating the divine society as we are evolving. So it says planets, stars, and galaxies move according to the same law of gravity that governs the flight of visible light from distant galaxies, reveal the same atomic and the nuclear physics that we observe in our laboratories. So you can see everything that is in the universe, it moves uh, the way it moves using according to the same laws of what physics. Remember, physics is all about speed, time, and distance. So they relate this to the speed of light. But what is behind the need that govern the what govern the existence? Remember, first for you to know what it governs the existence, you have to know how the creation started. Because the time the creation started, it was the time that the universe started to be governed. It was the time that the universe started evolving. So you have to understand what was there during the time of creation, during the time where there was might be there when we say there were all no there when there was no matter or what exists on a frequency mathematical information. So it's those frequency mathematical information, those sinusoid waves that were there during the time of Big Bang, the one that still govern the universe up to now. That's why we say, because during the time of Big Bang there was separation. You see, and that separation, when Jesus came, he was in it, and he saw that. That's why he said, "I see myself divided, but in the end, I am going to converge again, like come together again." That's why he said, when he was there, he said he is going to make a heaven for us because he understand according to what he was as divine being. He was that's why he was always up. I am the light of the world. He was always up telling people to raise their consciousness so that they can understand their internal self, they can understand their divine self and live lives according to their they live life according to what they have as divine beings. See? So most important thing you to understand during the time of Big Bang there was nothingness. And nothingness is what gives rise to everything that exists in the universe. See? So that nothingness is made of sinusoid waves, mathematical information, and that mathematical information is keeping evolving and transforming and forming complex mathematical frequencies. As they are evolving, coming together, directed towards what we call the omega point. That is what is happening right here on Earth. For everyone is what we have to do. Then that's why we say always don't look at the others threat. Look at someone you can learn from. Once you is someone you can learn from, then you are able to share information and you will be able to integrate for yourself and transform your self-awareness to hyper-awareness. As as we are doing so, then we will all become going to become divine and we will be able to share this information to each other for eternity. Yeah, that is what I wanted to explain on what governs the universe. So, for the last say interstellar clouds contain the same elements as the sun, moon, and earth. So all these are all about the speed, the orbit, and the movements of the planets. Is what physics is all about. They study how the movement happens, but they don't look at what made the like the metaphysical claim of what causes the movement of all these galaxies, all these things in universe, in the galaxy move. They don't look at do metaphysical question like that. If you go to ask them what governs them, they are going to tell you you have to study philosophy. We don't do that here. All we know is the speed of light, and the speed of light is land at this frequency, and that's what they know. That's why we say once we have become divine, others are going to be released, and they are going to be the one who will be able to help us calculate speed on how to distance planets. And once we do calculate speed on distance planets, and in so doing, we will be able now to start colonizing other planets. But the first thing is first, you have to discover your divinity. You have to discover your true self. Once you discover your true self, then you are up for divine society to create. And we all going to be enjoy life and live accordingly. Live to the fullest of our potential. Yeah, that is that I wanted to share with you guys for today. Bye. See you in the next stream. Cheers. I hope you have enjoyed the stream. Great.